think mostly it is movement restrictions.
It is.
You know,
Yes.
आप बड़ों को
Actually,
कहते थे अच्छा आप
has
नहीं
been,
उठाएं, आप बेंड नहीं करें, आप ये नहीं करें, आप वो नहीं करें.
And
और
it's coming
not
from a
even
good place,
हाँ,
but it's
you're being
it's not.
Yeah, you're being
Yeah, see,
caring and concerned.
Even there are research that you don't age because you're aging. You
Yeah.
age because you're not moving.
Yeah.
Yes.
There's a very clear science behind this. Because you stop moving, because the way, as a kid, the way we move, we don't move the same way now.
This always reminds me of that story where I'm not being dramatic, but I literally fell in the gutter. Like I fell. I'm not being dramatic, but I fell.
I don't know this story. I want to know the whole story now.
I remember telling Amina.
Okay, is it a conspiracy theory or there is some facts behind this?
Again, you type in your Google search what you want to believe.
You'll find that.
You'll find it.
You'll find it. Yes,
You'll find
100%.
it. So I don't think that I wouldn't even bother saying कि ये सही है और ये गलत है, because अगर आप और मैं बैठ के अभी ये कहें कि ये गलत है, जो बंदा सुन रहा है who wants to prove us wrong,
He'll prove us wrong.
He'll prove us wrong.
Yes. The thing is, like, I don't really like to do obviously there's a pictures on thumbnail, so you know who is there. So
Right.
what kind of introduction you want me to give? Right, so I just start. Let's just start a conversation. So आज Amna,
अच्छा
you
कैमरे में
start.
देखना होता है कि नहीं देखना होता?
नहीं क्या हो
ओह
गया
अच्छा
Amna?
आपसे बात कर रहे हैं, मुझे क्या पता, तो पता ही नहीं
हाँ,
है.
even I wanted to know.
See, I don't know.
Okay, you're talking to us.
Okay.
Yeah, so we are talking. So camera is there. Don't forget there is a camera. Okay, yes.
See, this will start.
This is how we start.
Okay. So I think अगर मैंने आमना के हाथ में दिया ना कि she
हाँ,
should
तो मैं
start,
भी
तो
बैठ
ये
जाऊँगी.
आधा
We'll be
घंटे
here.
तक हम
ऐसे
start
करिए.
करने की कोशिश करते हैं.
We'll be here for a while. Yeah.
Yeah, so yes, I'm really liking these kind of podcasts where I'm calling people with the experience. I don't like to call people old, by the way, क्योंकि मुझे लगता है old is a overused word. We age, but old is a term where you're saying, okay, you're retired, आपकी life अभी थोड़ा end तक जा रही है, and then you're done with your life. I think we can still be young, and I think you're a very good example of it, because at the age of, if you don't mind me telling your
No,
age.
please,
Okay,
go
at the
ahead.
age of 54, आप workout भी कर रहे हैं. You're building muscle as well. You have a business as well, and उसके अलावा you have a good social life as well. तो can you tell me कि ये journey आपकी जो life की थी, क्योंकि me being 40, I look back and see कि आज की life और 20 साल पहले की life में there are huge difference. When you were 20 and when you were teenage, what kind of life you were living and how it has changed over the time?
So basically, I think to start with, I think you're absolutely right. We are blessed and cursed with the kind of culture that we live in. हमारे यहाँ उम्र होने से पहले आपको बूढ़ा कर देते हैं, right? And actually we train, even like I have two sons. I have and they're both, the minute they walk into, somebody walks into a room, if they're a little bit older than them, they will get up and give their chair. And that is just how we treat our adults and everything. But I do believe that at 54, I don't think my mother was doing the stuff I'm doing. I mean, Mummy was definitely not gymming out and didn't have a gym wardrobe and all of that at my age. But Amina is actually where my journey started.
Okay.
It began with her, so I'm thrilled that she's here, because I went with the same reason 90% or maybe even more people enter a gym, is that
Weight
I
loss.
want to lose weight loss. And I'll never forget that when I went there for the first time, I saw her and I just told her, I said, I've never been this big. And she said to me, no, it's not about big. It's, you will lose weight. And we had the same conversation, what to eat, what not to eat, and all of it. And somehow, I think things connected, which I think is the thing about this journey. That Lego piece has to find its match, and it connects, and then great things happen. I think that's where the magic is. So losing 20, I think it was 20 pounds.
20, no, not 20 pounds. It was almost around 25 pounds.
Yeah,
or something.
it was that. I don't even know when it happened, how it happened, which makes it actually quite, I mean, I'm sure we both put in the effort, right? The before and after images, we shared those, all of that. We both put in the effort. But kuch pata nahi chala, which means it wasn't, you know, it wasn't like a bad, there are no bad memories of it. And that is really important when you want to do something continuously, I feel.
The
Yeah.
association wasn't bad with the gym.
No.
Or the
No.
hard work that you had to put into
And
it.
I'm sure it was hard.
Of
I mean,
course.
I'm sure. I remember doing those. What was it?
Battling
Battle ropes.
Yeah, I don't. You'll have to name all the exercises that I can do. Yeah, I remember doing all of that, but hating it. Till now, it's like I'm a pro,
Pro,
at
yeah.
my battle ropes now.
Like what's also interesting to me, because most women, I'm not going to say all women, but most women comes from a very cardio-centric background when
Yeah.
they start training. Do you remember Jen Fonda?
Yeah.
Back in 90s?
Yeah.
I think Jen Fonda ने हमारी इंडस्ट्री को बहुत बर्बाद किया है. ये मेरी पर्सनल सोच है ये.
And he always says that.
Yeah, I always say that, and sometimes people get offended by this as well.
हाँ.
Reason being कि जेन फोंडा से पहले के जो अगर आप फिटनेस इंडस्ट्री देखें तो देयर वाज अ लॉट ऑफ वेट लिफ्टिंग only weightlifting, and then Jane Fonda came in, and everything becomes more cardio based, aerobic based.
But weightlifting was also most popular in men at that time. Na? Women
No,
were doing
actually,
it, but it's not
very small very small number of women were doing it.
Yeah.
क्योंकि but weightlifting was there, but one thing Jane Fonda did very well कि उन्होंने एक घर पे बैठी हुई खवातीन को मूव करवाया था. This is, I think, she did very well. But at the same time, every woman become, okay, this is the thing. This is what we have to do to get in shape. तो अगर आप बैक इन 90s की अगर आप वीडियोस एक्सरसाइज वीडियोस देखें तो you'll see कि lot of men and women both wearing spandex and they're doing some
Yes.
kind of like aerobic exercise,
Yes.
which looks ridiculous right now. Sometimes we watch it and laugh about it.
Yeah.
But वहाँ से एक mindset का एक shift हुआ था कि जहाँ पे everybody wants to do cardio and that kind of classes. Do you remember that era?
Very much so. In fact, जहाँ तक मुझे याद है, I think हमने एक छोटा सा ग्रुप भी बनाया था फ्रेंड्स का और हम करते थे एंड स्टेप्स वो स्टेप अप होता था, you know,
Step aerobics, yes.
DVDs and stuff like that, ना, जो उससे आप देख के सारा copy करते थे.
And Jane Fonda started, but then there were many others who
followed.
followed and all of that. And it was, yeah, I mean, it was interesting when you think about it. I think she looked great for what she was promoting. Just like when I now go to the gym, if I see somebody, I can recognize somebody who's bulky versus somebody who's, oh, they're looking weak, or somebody who's looking strong. But with Jane Fonda, it was that lean, skinny, bouncy kind of, that was her MO, right?
Yeah.
Yahi wo
Yeah,
pitch
very interesting. Sometime back we watched a video of a guy. Remember that black guy who's wearing almost boxers? It's like that short boxer they are
Yes.
wearing with a very tight tank top, and they're
Yes.
like doing aerobics, and very like strong men.
Yeah.
Doing that kind of workout.
So,
It just
Parvez,
looks so ridiculous
my
to me.
question to you is, when we see, because you have the knowledge, right? But I've often wondered, every time I go on Instagram, and ek to the algorithm talks to you, right? You and I had that
Yeah.
conversation. I wish I'd done this earlier in my life, started my fitness, but मेरी algorithm अगर उस time होती, तो वो फर्क होती.
कुछ और ही होती.
कुछ और ही होती. Because I was raising, you know, I was working, I'm a dentist by profession, I had children, I got married, I had children. So just imagine, my algorithm is not going to be fitness. It's going to be something else. But I often wonder when I see these people who look really lean and they're doing these simple little, so is that really what they do?
No, so Instagram is a different life than the real life. So there's a called real life and a real life.
Yes.
ठीक है?
But how
So-
are they looking like that?
No, there's a thing. The workout they do is different than what they show.
Yeah.
ठीक है? होता ये है कि when you are chasing likes and followers, you show what works. You don't show what is real. सही है, तो अगर आपको इंस्टाग्राम की रील आपको नजर आएगी कोई वेरी फन वर्कआउट कर रहा है इन वेरी गुड शेप, मे बी दैट्स नॉट एग्जैक्टली व्हाट दे डू, दिस इज व्हाट दे शो ऑन द रील. उससे पीछे जो वर्कआउट होता है वो काफ़ी डिफरेंट होता है ना. इमेजिन अगर आपको कोई दिखा रहा है कि every other day they are doing deadlift and squats. आप कितना टाइम तक देखोगे उसको?
हाँ.
Right? उसके बाद you'll say like, okay, I'm bored with it, and you move on. But just to gain the likes and to gain the follower, they show all kind of different fun workouts
Yeah.
to engage with the people. So this becomes a business itself. तो वहाँ पे जो for me, for actually what I try to do in the Muscle Matter, I don't chase likes and followers. Even with the podcast, I'm not chasing likes or subscribers. What I'm trying to do is to educate as much as possible. और उसकी वजह से whatever business we get, what we get.
Basically,
Even gym में भी हमारी
getting people.
अक्सर बात हुई है कि I don't try to sell anything which is not beneficial for you. We had a conversation in the gym.
Yes.
कि, okay, what is better? Is it cardio better? Is it heavy weights that's better? Is it a good form better?
And like for me, at least, like some people are very clear on their goals. I, at this age, have reached a point where I don't really know. I know that I want to look a certain way, but I don't know if I can give up everything to achieve that. Simple things, just like, you know, if I lose weight at this age, I know that the weight on my face actually helps me look a bit fresher and younger. 10 years ago, that wouldn't have been my concern, right? It would have been more about what I want to wear, how fit my arms look. So it's like quite, sometimes it's a little bit bittersweet for me because I know I have all this knowledge because I've listened to people I've experienced, whether it's Amina, you, Oves, everybody at the gym, I've always experienced.
Yeah. So always का नाम आ गया है podcast
Always,
के अंदर.
always मैंने
You
अपना
did your
promise,
job.
मैंने अपना promise रखा है. हाँ, okay. So always 2 दफा आ गया है, 3 actually. So whoever it is, I'm aware of the knowledge. I'm aware of what I can see when I see, you know, all of you all. But I also know what is real for me. So that has its own little burden, but I think we're on the right track because I'm quite clear that the thing I want is that if I fall, the healing should
So
be.
basically what you're saying is when you started, your goals were different.
Yeah, and I mean,
now
that
with-
must be true for everybody. I mean, it must be true for everyone who, you know, you've let yourself go, you feel that now you need to get it. But I think that's too much responsibility to put on a gym and a trainer that आपको एक दिन ख्याल आया कि बस अब बेहतर होना है. So you go to the trainer with that ideology, but there is so much that is dependent on the client. Like if you guys are doing it's not a 50-50 game, it's almost like a 70-30 game. That's why you all need to do your 30% so well for me to
Put in the rest, yes.
put in my 70. Yeah, because I don't take you home, nah. After that, it's all on me.
Yeah.
So that becomes very relevant as you grow older.
So one funny thing, you mentioned about the face fat. You're not the only one. There are a lot of people, including myself. क्योंकि जब मैंने first time weight loss किया था, that was back in like 2011-12. वहाँ पे मुझे सबने पूछना शुरू कर दिया कि मैं बीमार हो गया. Like because
That's
when
very
you go
common
for
question जब
when you
आपका
go for like
face का पतला
low body fat आपके face से भी fat जाएगा. If you have a genetic कि आपका face से fat जाएगा वो जाएगा. आप उसको रोक नहीं सकते. You cannot say कि okay मुझे abs चाहिए but face मेरा fat हो उस पर ये नहीं हो सकता. तो for a lot of people it is like कि they don't want to understand कि okay arms कम करने हैं तो हो सकता है कि face से fat भी चला जाए और शायद पहले चला जाए. And it happens to a lot of people. For you, when we had a conversation, I was like, you have to decide, okay, to get that kind of arms, maybe you have to compromise on your face as well. तो वो conversation जब हमारी हुई थी, what kind of thought process उसके बाद आपका था कि okay, what do I do now?
Well, the first thing you said to me is when I said, "Nahi, Parvez, I can't. मैं बहुत बुढ़ी लगूंगी," you know. He said, "तो एकदम तो नहीं होगा." That everything takes time, right? So that kind of resonated and it stuck with me that nothing in this journey happens
Overnight,
immediately. It doesn't happen overnight. So today, if I decide that I'm going to stay to, have those 1500 calories and do my protein intake and supplement it, whatever, those 100 discussions we have, I'll probably be really good for a week and then I'll fall off the bandwagon. And then I'll come again, you'll give me some therapy and we'll chat. And again, I'll get on. So isme, you're challenging, there are challenges, but I think that is good because eventually you do come around to, like who would have thought when I started, how much weight was I lifting? When the first time I started doing the deadlift, we were started at
I think
20
first time you started with her actually a long
Yeah.
time back. That was a
but
long
I
time
mean,
back.
I can't even remember
very,
that
very
far
less
back,
at
but
that
it
time,
was
yeah.
very little. Like, I don't remember being at when, what is that place where we do the deadlift called?
Scott rack.
The squat
Rack-
rack.
rack के साथ करते हैं हम लोग.
उसके साथ तो पहले इतना नहीं करते थे. I mean, it was more free weights
Yeah.
and, and now I don't even sometimes, what was the last one I did?
So last we did 75 kg.
Yes.
75 kg.
See?
Yes. That's
Yeah.
your best
I did
so far.
one
rep. Yes.
one rep of that, right? Now for me, that's like huge. It feels like I've conquered
this is where
something.
I see things very interesting क्योंकि I remember my grandma and मैं सुमाया के साथ भी podcast में मैंने रखा I remember in her rocking chair as long as I know. Yeah, and she passed away on 65. She was 65 years old when she passed away, and for easily good 10 years I saw her on rocking chair. तो मतलब कि middle of 50s she was living the life where you are not so functional and you're not really taking care of yourself. Now 20 years 30 years has been passed. Now I see that even 60 years old is not really old.
No.
The definition of aging is different now.
Age has that age is a number. It's quite true because and this takes us back to our first point where हमारा culture ऐसा है कि आपको time से पहले बूढ़ा कर देते हैं. It's just our culture, whether it is, and that बूढ़ापन can just be that giving you, nicer things to eat, more to eat. Don't move much. I'll come.
I think mostly it is the movement restrictions.
It is.
You know,
Yes.
आप बड़ों को
Actually,
कहते थे
there
अच्छा आप
has
नहीं
been,
उठाएं, आप bend नहीं करें, आप ये नहीं करें, आप वो नहीं करें.
And
और
it's coming
not
from a
even
good place,
बड़ा, हाँ,
but it's-
you're being
it's not.
Yeah, you're being
Yeah,
caring and concerned.
Even there are research that you don't age because you're aging. You
Yeah.
age because you're not moving.
Yeah.
Yes.
There's a very clear science behind this. Because you stop moving, because the way, as a kid, the way we move, we don't move the same way now.
Yeah.
Yeah, because when you stop, one thing that happened with the age, anything that you're not using as a functionality, you start losing it, unless you train for it.
Yeah.
तो एज के साथ यही चीज़ें होना शुरू होती है बिकॉज वी आर नॉट सो फंक्शनल इन आवर लाइफ्स लाइक कितनी बार होगा एट द एज ऑफ 50-60 somebody is like sitting on the floor and then getting up from there without any support.
Yeah.
We don't do that.
No.
वो restrict हो जाता है वो फिर इंसान.
And which brings me a little bit to the one thing that I have in the last couple of months actually, I've always been aware of it, but now a lot more because I can ask the question and get an answer, is the biomechanics of the body. Being a medic, because I'm medically inclined, I have knowledge of muscles and movements and the different types of movements. It also makes a lot more sense that first, like so many people will wear the support when they are doing an exercise or something, they'll actually wear that knee support and all of it. But I now understand that there are so many accessory muscles that actually wearing the support kind of it causes more of a problem. It's better you fix the movement or adjust the movement so other, right?
Yeah.
Am I right?
Exactly.
Yeah.
The thing is, like, the job that your muscle should do, you don't need external support. हाँ, जब weight बहुत ज़्यादा heavy हो जाता है, when we are going for elite performance sport की तरफ जाते हैं, जहाँ ठीक है, यहाँ आपको already pain है, कोई something is bothering, ठीक है. But just because you're wearing belt because you're doing squats या deadlift, it's not necessary. Right now, your body can take care of it. आपके muscle इतने capable हैं कि वो take care कर सकते हैं उसका. And always जहाँ muscle give up कर जाता है ना, उसके बाद you need help, right?
Right.
So you had a knee pain,
Yes.
yeah, for quite long time.
Quite a long time.
और उसके बाद जब when we started doing squats properly and we set up few things कि यार let's just focus on the muscle around the knee, do a good warm up and we do squats again.
Yeah.
And then suddenly the pain disappeared.
Yeah. Same with the shoulder. I had a
Yeah.
busted shoulder as well, right? And we worked on
Yeah.
that. And it's still, the movement's a little off, but there's no pain. There's no pain. And it,
हाँ, so I remember my mom had a back surgery. I think it was a very long time back. And उनको डॉक्टर ने बिल्कुल मना कर दिया कि वो सीढ़ियाँ नहीं चढ़ सकती और वो ज़मीन पे नहीं बैठ सकती. ज़मीन से उठना यानी क्योंकि because you have to go in that range of motion. So past 25 years maybe, she is very restrictive. Now for my question is like if this is coming from a doctor and this still comes from the doctor, कि अगर आपको इतना रिस्ट्रिक्ट कर देते हैं तो फिर आप किस तरीके से अपनी लाइफ को बेहतर करोगे? ये दिस इज़ मी आस्किंग यू एज अ एक्सपीरियंस पर्सन इन लाइफ कि अगर डॉक्टर की तरफ से ये आ रहा है कि नहीं आप मूव नहीं कर सकते, आप स्क्वाट्स नहीं करो, आप लंजेस नहीं करो, आप सीढ़ियाँ मत चढ़ो, आप ज़मीन पे मत बैठो, ये सारी एक फंक्शनैलिटी जो आपकी रिस्ट्रिक्ट हो गई है, नाउ व्हाट डू यू डू देन?
so as a, if I hate to say this, but I really doubt I've begun to doubt or rather see the cracks in the medical system, whether it's related to the drugs that we are supposed to use. I'm all for it. Like if you are in pain and we know that there is a whole mechanism by means of which an inflammatory process starts, and we know chemicals are released, and we know that giving non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs will suppress those chemicals, like, and I believe that helps your body. Like inflammation, if it is controlled, will help your body. What I don't understand is that if I go to the physiotherapist, when he tells me avoid exercise for the next 2 weeks, I can't wrap my head around it because I just think, but then if I sit down also, I don't come for physiotherapy and I just sit, the pain's going to go away anyway because I'm not doing anything. The idea is to return back to normal movement as soon as possible. And this always reminds me of that story where I'm not being dramatic, but I literally fell in the gutter. Like I fell, I'm not being dramatic, but I fell.
I don't know this story. I want to know the whole story now.
No, I remember telling Amina, I fell in the gutter because I was just walking. I was in my house and it was dark and the dog had gone and I was walking and Purana ghar hai, Purana gutter ka cover hai, just stepped on it and dhar, I went straight through and I fell straight on my knee, just a little below my knee, and I thought it was a hard concrete floor and I thought I don't know what has happened because it was the impact to save myself. The impact was hard and then my reflex reaction to not fall further was so intense that I thought I've cracked something. And literally I got up. I think that's the day I became a believer.
And when was this?
This was, what, a year ago?
I think a year and a half ago.
At the age of
a year ago.
53 then.
53,
yeah.
53, and that is the day when I came, just a light, I got a cut, and yes, there was like a small amount of bruising, but like,
Yeah, but bruising and cut, that is like, of course, that's
that's
supposed to
normal.
happen,
That's
yeah.
just an inflammatory
So do you think if
process.
that happened and if you were not training and resistance training nahi hoti and then you fall, do you think the impact would have been different?
100%. With knowledge of the human anatomy, with knowledge of the way cartilage wears away, with knowledge of the fact that muscle is an essential, it covers the bone and it's literally like the clothes the bones wear. With all that knowledge, if I didn't have it, it would have gone to bone, 100%. Like where else would it have gone?
Yeah. So I know few women who have osteoporosis at a very young age, like in their 30s and 40s. And now I'm going to put some dirt on some people now. You know this meal prep companies जो आपको weight loss करने के लिए खाना देती है
और पैसे भी बहुत
चार्ज करते हो and then I think now weight loss has become a business. which
Yeah.
is okay. Weight loss is a business.
That's fine.
But again, what they did is कि weight loss उन्होंने लगा कि अब मेरा weight ज़्यादा है तो मेरे knees में और जो bones में pain होता है, then she's supposed to lose the weight. She lost the weight by going on a keto diet.
Ooh.
Now, imagine you are losing 10 kgs and then you end up with osteoporosis. This is something that I spoke to lots and lots of women, and they do not want to understand. I think coming from a woman that makes more sense for them instead of like coming from me, because osteoporosis is very common for female. It's not that common for men.
Yeah, because of our hormone imbalance, right?
yeah.
We lose hormone after a while. So
Yeah. So what do you say about the people who just eat to lose weight and train to lose weight, and don't consider the other aspect of the training, other aspects of your health?
I think first and foremost, we have to understand that the body is not a machine. The body has wear and tear, right? A machine, I guess, like a machine, maybe I need to redefine that. Let's just focus on the fact that the body goes through wear and tear, as literally from the time that you start your active life, whatever. And for women, most especially, जितना wear and tear हम देखते हैं through a period cycle, through pregnancy cycles, through I mean, a woman's body measurements will change on a weekly basis, maybe depending on which phase of your hormone cycle you are at. So these things like ये तो बनता है, the osteoporosis, the the gaining weight around your midriff area, all of that, this happens. But what I don't understand is, at what point are we nourishing our body? Everyone talks about what they shouldn't eat. Nobody talks about what they should eat, right? Like the relevance of protein. I think to myself, why did I only get that knowledge when I stepped into a gym? That's like standard.
Yeah, this has to be a public knowledge then. Yeah.
Like it should be standard that just eat more protein as you grow older.
But see, I think this takes us back to that conversation about doctors and everything. I think everybody who comes to us who is opposing all these things has an opinion from a doctor. ठीक है, डॉक्टर ने बोला नहीं, हालांकि सब कुछ हो भी गया, but we went to the doctor, उसने बोला, I mean, I went to the doctor when I had inflammation in my left, remember?
Traps, yes.
Traps. That was like, I think 8 years ago. I went to a neurologist, and he told me you cannot lift weights ever in your life.
See?
Ever.
Yeah.
And I got an MRI done, everything. I waited for 6 months, and I was like, what the hell? No. And I then started, I'm perfectly fine. But see, a neurologist is telling me I cannot lift weights ever in my life.
Yeah.
And abhi, I'm talking about 8 years back. So I was in my 30s.
Yeah.
So अब मुझे डॉक्टर ने बोल दिया था मैं इस फील्ड में ना होती, मुझे अपनी नॉलेज ना होती, तो आई थिंक आई वुड हैव नेवर डन इट. माय मॉम टोल्ड मी नॉट टू लिफ्ट वेट्स, और तुम्हें डॉक्टर ने बोल दिया, व्हाई आर यू डूइंग दिस? सो इट इज़ अ प्रॉब्लम. ये भी आप जो न्यूट्रिशन की बात कर रही हैं, अगर आई थिंक डॉक्टर अगर बोल देता है आपने कम खाना है, या आपने ये नहीं कोई समझाता कि आपने कम खाना है, ऑयल कम खाना है, लेकिन उसकी जगह क्या खाना है.
That's my point. We talk too much about what to eliminate from the diet, and of course then immediately you will eliminate fats and carbs. You will eliminate, literally it's eliminated.
Yeah.
They eliminate that. How do you nourish a body without fats, without carbs? You need that also, right?
You need a balance of everything.
You need a balance of everything, and you need to feel okay also. I mean, I think this whole Ozempic thing is basically women who are just fed up of feeling
blah about everything.
blah about the way that they are.
Yeah.
It's just one added stress. And those things, the dekhi jayegi is, it's such a desi way.
Do you
the
think
dekhi
Ozempic
jayegi.
is helping right now, or is it causing more problems?
So, Parvez, I think you and I have discussed this, but I'm a great fan of the word microdosing.
Okay.
Like, I do believe microdosing is a way. If it's like using a walking stick, but then you have to it's very dangerous. I don't know in our environment right now, although I do believe that our fitness knowledge that is happening has also gone up a lot. It's not so bad anymore, whether it's through social media, whether it's through people like you who are, have their gyms, thinking of expanding, going into nutrition, training with body weight, all of that, I do believe that there is a lot of lack of knowledge. So people would tend to overdo everything over here. I don't think someone will take the Ozempic to actually work on a lifestyle change.
Yeah, I know. I don't know them, but I know of from someone. Okay, there are people who is taking Ozempic, still eating crap food, which is like not really healthy. Healthy in the sense like they don't have a very good nutritional value.
Yeah.
Yeah, they don't have they don't train what they're supposed to, and they end up losing lots of muscle mass. So this was the study that where they see that 66% of the weight loss comes from muscle. The people who are taking
That's a
Ozempic.
lot.
And recently there was I think some celebrity who said that she was using Ozempic for 1 year, and she ended up with osteoporosis after 1 year of using Ozempic. Now the question is like you invested so much money on this, and you lost weight, which is like okay, you lost weight, but you're not healthier.
But Parvez, वही the thing is ना, the goal is very different. The goal is to lose
So
weight,
this
and
is okay.
it
now,
doesn't.
Yeah, I
वही
understand
बात
that.
है,
I understand that. But at the same time, I see ना कि Ozempic कोई भी बगैर डॉक्टर की रिकमेंडेशन के तो यूज़ नहीं कर रहा.
You saying the guidelines.
किसी
should
ने
be there.
अपनी मर्जी से यूज़ नहीं किया Ozempic, उसको डॉक्टर ने ही रिकमेंड किया है. एंड एवरीबडी हु इज यूजिंग Ozempic वो किसी ना किसी डॉक्टर के साथ कंसल्टेशन पे है.
हाँ, because prescription के बगैर तो नहीं मिलती ना.
एंड व्हाई डॉक्टर्स आर नॉट टेलिंग देयर पेशेंट्स के you have to train to make sure your muscle mass is there and you're not becoming unhealthier. क्योंकि आपने बॉडी फैट कम करने के चक्कर में you lost bone density. How is it going to help you in future? तो वहाँ पे मेरा सवाल सिर्फ ये है कि why doctors are not getting this information out.
This is actually, I mean, if we really sit and talk about it, it's such a political, big pharma is big pharma. I mean, when that Djokovic did not take the COVID vaccine, they treated him like a complete pariah. He was not allowed, चाहे Wimbledon हो, he wasn't allowed on an aeroplane. और उसके बाद हम अब कोविड के कितनी कोविड रिलेटेड वैक्सीन रिलेटेड we don't know what happened, but we know that the vaccine is creating some kind of
Yeah,
issue.
definitely.
I mean, and as a doctor, we got our vaccine done.
Okay, is it a conspiracy theory or there is some facts behind this?
Again, you type in your Google search what you want to believe.
You'll find that.
You'll find it.
You'll find it. Yes,
You'll find
100%.
it. So I don't think that I wouldn't even bother saying कि ये सही है और ये गलत है, because अगर आप और मैं बैठ के अभी ये कहें कि ये गलत है, जो बंदा सुन रहा है who wants to prove us wrong,
He'll prove us wrong.
He'll prove us wrong.
Yes.
Just like you and I are not, we've also read our bit or discussed whatever to know, but we can also prove what we're saying. But the person, so that is the very dangerous world
Yeah. So whatever
that we are living in now.
Like whatever you want to believe in, you find the validation somewhere.
Yeah.
वो चाहे वो
Like-
Google पे हो या फिर like some influencer is going to come to you and validate whatever you feel.
Absolutely, absolutely. So then you have to come down to what you can see, and so the mechanism of the body does not lie.
Yeah.
There is a function that every part of the body has that does not lie. That can't be, if you don't move, we know what happens, right? And we've always known, like I was telling you guys before we started, that for someone like my mother, her weight targets were, does the sari ka blouse fit? Because she chose to wear saris, not shalwar kameez. She always wore saris. So her thing was, the minute she'd tell me, I've gained some weight, I have to now stop eating this meetha. How do you know, Mummy? Oh, my blouses are tight. And that was just her limit, right? And over a period
Yeah,
of
metric
time,
of assessment and standards are different back then.
Yes,
Yes.
But I think ये उस generation से ही आ रहा है ना. अभी
Yeah.
things are changing now, because when we talk about people who are mostly into cardio or who just want to lose weight at that age, I don't think they've ever heard their mothers talking about losing weight for a very different reason or being healthy on a different reason. It's
And
always
Amina, it was in our word when they say, "Oh, healthy lag rahi ho,"
तो
it
उसका
means
मतलब
you
मोटी लग रही हो।
मोटी lag rahi ho. I mean, we know this, right?
Yeah.
And the word used for, like for me, the word that I've always heard about older people is बहुत active थी. Like, not that
Yeah.
she would go, like my kids will probably say, when
Strong
मेरी
or-
जब
yeah.
स्वयं होगी, जब भी होगी, the बच्चास will say, अम्मा तो जिम जाती थी.
Yeah.
They won't say active थी. But
Yeah.
for us, we say that that person was so
एक्टिव वॉक कर लेते
Walk
थे
कर लेती थी,
सुबह
हर
जाते
काम
थे,
अपने से
सुबह कर
करती
लेती
थी।
It was a different
It was a different
concept of
and that is now
activity.
changing.
Yeah.
Right.
I want to know few things when like growing up. Do you see ke lifting weights around women was a taboo thing?
Yeah.
I
even-
think it
It
still is.
still is. But like
how many people tell you we don't want to become bulky?
there's so many people
I'm
who walk
talking
in.
about back in like 80s and 90s क्योंकि ये मैंने बड़ा unusual सी चीज़ सुनी है कि somebody's mother was saying कि do not lift heavy weight वरना pregnancy में problem होगी.
ये तो अभी भी है
अभी भी कहते हैं.
Why?
ये अभी
क्या
भी
क्या
है.
उसके क्या concept किया है इसका?
I guess. I don't know. Like, I can't even make a guess, just the weight, that if you are pregnant, you'll drop your baby, I guess.
No, so abhi very recently
I'm talking about the people who are not even pregnant. Like I'm
no,
not
I'm
talking-
telling you something. Somebody was told कि not to because they wanted to conceive. So she was told to stop training and everything because this is you won't conceive if you're training.
Don't tell me this comes from a doctor.
No, I don't think if it was doctor, was somebody in the family.
Old wives'
but-
tales भी बहुत होती हैं हमारे यहाँ. I mean,
हाँ,
literally, you
कि
have
आप
a
ये
nuskha
करोगे
for
तो ऐसा-
every
हाँ.
everything.
तो but वही
and
बात
a
है फिर
totka,
people
not
don't
nuskha,
know
totka.
what is right to and then there are so many different views of people coming from apparently very professional people वो trainers हों या वो nutritionists हों whatever के different views हैं लोगों को भी नहीं समझ आती ना कौन सी बात सही है किसको follow करें और किसको ना follow करें some people will यार कितनी वो Samit when he talks
Sameet
about
and-
all these the people that talk about
Yeah,
on the
yeah,
shows and everything अजीब अजीब बातें जिनको लोग फॉलो करते हैं लाइक जिनका सेंस ही नहीं बनता एंड आप टीवी पे बैठ के बता रहे हो कि ऐसे होना चाहिए आई थिंक 80% ऑफ द अवाम इज गोना फॉलो इट
Weight loss podcast is like I
And
think
they
उसकी
are
never ending
dangerous
thing है.
things for
There's a
this.
dangerous thing. I think lot of जो anti-inflammatory drinks वगैरह the people are making at home and having it उसमें कोई
No, that's
नुकसान नहीं
probably-
है.
yeah, लेकिन-
But at the same time वो weight loss के लिए नहीं है. तो stop using it for weight
but
loss.
I mean, let's be really blunt. Weight loss कैसे होता है परवेज?
Calorie deficit. It's as simple as that.
खत्म.
It's that simple.
I mean, it's just as simple as that. You've got to, which is why I said that 70% of the work is based on.
But there's a thing
The
ना
client.
अगर मैं सोशल मीडिया इन्फ्लुएंसर हूँ और मैं बोलता मेरा बिजनेस है सोशल मीडिया पे कंटेंट बनाना मैं कितनी बार एक बात बोलूँगा कि आपको डेफिसिट में होना है तो मेरा बिजनेस नहीं चलेगा
I
ना
think
तो
lack
मुझे वो
of
बिजनेस
responsibility over there,
तो
भाई।
बिजनेस चलाने के लिए मुझे टोटकास्ट देने तो वो जितने भी लोग जो बना रहे आई डोंट थिंक उनको नहीं पता कि यू ओनली नीड डेफिसिट उनको पता है बट क्योंकि दे आर ऑन सोशल मीडिया एंड दे वांट टू मेक सम कंटेंट एवरी डे तो दिस इज़ व्हाट सेल्स एंड दिस इज़ व्हाट एक्चुअली रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी गोज टू द पीपल एज वेल कि वो वही रील्स और वही जो टोटकास्ट वाली आते हैं सारे कंटेंट वही शेयर करते हैं वही देखते हैं और उसी पे ही कमेंट करते हैं
हाँ, बिल्कुल.
इट गोज टू पीपल क्योंकि बिकॉज इट्स लाइक अगर मैं आपको बोलूँ कि अगर आपको वेट लूज करना है आपको नेक्स्ट 3 से 4 महीने पे डेफिसिट पे रहना होगा इतना आपको वेट ट्रेनिंग करनी होगी इतने आपको स्टेप्स करने होंगे इट डजंट लुक कूल
And
It
it's not
doesn't-
easy ना
it's
It's
not
not
easy.
I
easy.
agree
हाँ.
with
दिया
Amina.
सुबह
It's,
मैंने
I think it's also because it's hard.
इट्स हार्ड यस
It's
you want
hard.
an easy way out you want a
Yeah.
shortcut
Yeah.
we as a nation and a nature of human mostly is that you want a shortcut and you want the easy way out
Yeah.
mostly that's what people want right
Yeah.
so आप कुछ सुबह पानी में डाल के पीते रहो तो आपका वेट लूज हो जाएगा
हाँ.
आप रात को ना खाओ सुबह some things like that right
Yeah.
तो जो कि इसका आपकी हेल्थ और उससे कोई ताल्लुक नहीं है देर वेरी टू डिफरेंट थिंग्स लेकिन फिर वो लोग फॉलो करते हैं शॉर्टकट है और जल्दी होएगा और आसान होगा
No, and it's also, I think, I also believe that this journey becomes all the more exciting because if you are into it, you actually realize the community. For me, at least when I come to Muscle Matters, so a lot of the reason we can actually sit and have this discussion is because I speak to people, whether it's Iman who talks about mobility, Somaya who talks about her fitness, that she tries this also and she tries that also. Anyone who I have spoken to, Manaz, look how strong she is. You're
Yeah.
like, I mean,
Yeah.
I hope they don't mind. I've taken all their names. Anyway, I'm saying it all in a good. But everyone, new mothers that have come over there is such a sense of community, and we share totkas as well. But we come from it's in the right environment. Like no one's going to say, put kali mirch in pani and you're going to lose weight. Like you know what I mean? Like the totkas are, like if they are, they actually work because the environment is right, the people are right. So I think maybe that is a good way for people to search for information. Because everyone wants information. It's just we're scrolling all the time.
I think we have an abundance of information right
Yeah.
now. It's like it's too much out there that you don't know what to follow, what not to
Yeah,
follow.
that's the problem. That's one of
and
the
you know,
problems.
I mean, the best compliments I've got at the gym, because I guess the appreciation is all you've done the hard work yourself, so you recognize when somebody else has done
they've
the
been
hard
through
work.
the journey. They're going
Yeah.
through the journey. They know what it takes.
Yeah, and there's very little judgment, because you also realize that things happen, life happens, you can't. So that community spirit, that is very much, that's why I fight for my morning slot, because I love the people that come in the morning.
And I think you're right. You get more support from the people around in the gym than your friends and family around,
Yeah.
right? Because they
Yeah.
don't have the same kind of mindset or journey that you have had. But these people who are in the gym, they have the similar kind of, and they know the things can be. What do we call it? Like things that can have a mirrors podcast.
No, the things
It was
and
hinder
also-
karte hain, the things that hinder you, and then things that is your strength and weaknesses. right?
Exactly. And Amina, it transcends gender.
Yeah.
I really, I don't know if in any other setting except the gym, would I be that comfortable talking to a man about weight, training, hormones, all of that. But in that setting, it is so much about the human body in its physiology, in its anatomy, in its neurology. It's so much about that you can actually have discussions without actually feeling, okay, oh, I can't say this or I can't talk about this. That freedom is also kind of, you gain knowledge with it.
Yeah.
And considering even, like I think of Heather, he's into fitness, but I don't have, and he's at home, but I don't have those conversations that I have with, say, Parvez or Oves or Mustafa or whoever at the gym. I don't. Mauka hi nahi hota, it's not the right setting, but it works.
I think it's the environment, right?
Yeah, but your son being in the gym, he's also training the same gym that you're training.
Yeah.
Does it help as like overall to make sure that you are being accountable for yourself because your son is also training?
Personally, he'll kill me if he hears this. I think looks at me and does the gym. I think he thinks, yeah, look at this mother, I better do
better be
something.
there.
I think that has to be a norm right now. Okay, your kids should look up to you.
Yeah.
Not to anyone else.
Yeah, absolutely. And I do think, and I think if I had a daughter, like, so, I think she'd praise me a lot more. Beton ke saath thoda farak hota hai. They're a little, I sometimes wonder, does he think this is cool or does he think this is too much?
Amma kya kar rahi hai?
Amma kya kar rahi hai and all of that. Because, but I think strength is strength. Any way you look at it, at any age, strength is strength. If it's like children who walk quicker than others. I mean, that takes strength, lifting that little body. Babies who lift up, haul up their body and take that first step. And if they do it quicker, that's strength. Somebody who's much older, full-blown, menopause happened ages ago, finding a new kind of neural pathway to lift weights, to do all of that. It's different because for us, progesterone is what causes the collagen to happen. So when we lose that also, imagine, we don't even have that basic, so we have to constantly create these new neural pathways. That's why, but again, this came with awareness. Eat before don't go into the gym fasting. Just eat before, whether it's not about Ramzan, it's just about generally, I will eat before I come
To
to the
train,
gym
yeah.
because I know that I don't have, I mean, I need to have some power. It's going to come through food.
Yeah, you mentioned menopause right now. So during the menopause, what kind of changes you felt that took place in your body, and how a person who is right now on perimenopause should approach fitness, your food, your recovery, and overall generally about life?
My experience with menopause, because I think I was very young. I was just 36 when I got menopause.
That's quite young.
Yeah,
That's
it
quite
was.
young.
It could be genetic, it could be life, whatever. But I was very young. Interestingly, because nobody at that point was around me was going through menopause. None of my friends or cousins or anybody. Nobody really talked about it. Hormone replacement therapy was not a thing. Nobody really spoke about it and everything. तो बस हो गया.
गुजर गया.
गुजर गया. गुजर गया. No, now it's a whole different ball game. Like people actually, I didn't even know that there was something called perimenopause. I just knew that there is menopause. Now you can be in perimenopause stages for like years.
Years.
It can be years. Like you can be in perimenopause for 10 years, I think, or 6 years or something like that, before you hit menopause. And now you've got hormone replacement therapies. Now there's so much out there. And I believe, like, I know that the heat, I used to feel those hot flushes. I can't describe them to you, but it is like someone has set fire to you. Like it is that uncomfortable. You can't even imagine. It's like you are on fire. And it's very difficult to explain those things. And just imagine if that's how you are going to be getting up from your sleep 7 to 8 times sometimes a night.
With the
How
hot
is
flushes
the
and
rest of your
everything.
day
Oh my
going
God.
to go? Because that will happen to you multiple times during the day as well. So now we have so much information out there. Like I think women shouldn't suffer, 100%. Because now the doctors used to be men, right? So there were male doctors telling you how to deal with menopause.
Yeah, which they never suffered.
Can
Yeah,
you
yeah.
imagine?
Never
Male
experienced
doctors
that.
telling you they were the ones who designed all the drugs. That's changed now. Now you have women who have gone through it, who explain to you, and I think there's so much out there, one should 100% not suffer. Don't
Take
suffer.
help.
Yeah,
Did-
take help.
did- does this thought of menopause scare you?
Me?
Like because she just turned what, 41?
Yeah, but for me, age is just a number, so I never think
Well, the
about
thing is,
it.
like,
But
as a
biology
part-
is-
biology
yeah,
is
but
there, no?
that's what
So-
I'm saying. I always think of myself very young and everything, so I don't think about it. But the hot flashes you're talking about, I think I'm somewhere there
Now she's scared. Now.
Yeah, so now
she's
I'm scared because I think it's becoming a little too practical and probably, so I don't know if it can be diagnosed.
I mean, there are blood tests. You just do a
Blood
blood
tests.
test and you know which
Okay.
level. We have hormones that deplete and all of that. I'm not going to name it.
Yeah,
right
yeah,
now,
yeah,
so
no,
I'm
that's
not,
fine,
No, I'm not
but-
100% sure, otherwise happily. But I know that I even had to do one, it's the same one, that pregnancy home, jo aapko
Okay.
to tell you if you're pregnant.
Oh,
wohi
yeah, yeah, yeah,
hormone
okay.
hai.
It goes up.
So it goes up, it lowers or whatever,
Yeah.
and then you know that you are in, and you can stay in this phase for years, which is why it's so much better that now, since you have, and now they have bio-identical hormones as well. Like they actually are made in a way that aligns perfectly with your body.
Okay.
They're not as synthetic.
Okay.
I think
That
if
I
I'm
did not
using
know.
the correct word.
Yeah, so-
Disclaimers here, huh?
Okay, so because I train a lot of women and I train women during their menopause as well, one thing I realized, like during the perimenopause, I think one thing and the only thing you should focus on, just be really nice to yourself.
Yeah.
Because you will see that suddenly the scale goes up. You will see that your strength is going down. You will see suddenly 2 inches gone up on your waist. I think during that time, the more calmer you are, the better it is for you.
Yeah.
But do you
Be-
suggest that because sometimes people just say the way I'm saying, I don't know if I'm actually going through premenopause or not, right? So if you are in that state and you're confusing that कि यार मैंने सही से खाना नहीं खाया, मेरी exercise सही नहीं हो रही, इसकी वजह से these
Yeah.
things are happening, you should get it tested so at least you have that peace of mind. There's a reason behind it. It is a process and it's going to finish and I can get back to.
Yeah, I think this is where doctors should do their job because this is not my place to say.
No,
anything,
but
right?
I'm just saying generally. that
either-
if
either
there's
the-
But
a-
will you
Either you
visit?
can-
Like, would you visit a doctor?
I think
So if it keeps going on for
Yes,
another few
then you
months
will.
or so, then
Yeah.
I will, because sometimes it happens. You know, there's ups and downs, so sometimes these hot flashes happen in a
Yes.
normal routine as well.
Exactly.
When we are going
Agreed.
through our cycles and everything. But if it's getting more often and it's there and I'm feeling it more than normal, then yes, I would
Yes,
go because
yeah.
I want to know if something is happening which is different than normal, why is it happening? I mean, if it's a natural process, biological, thing happening, or
And I think that is the way that I think one should go, and I think one should look at the options one has to keep those hormones within the body for as long as you can to get, so that you can continue with your normal life process. But this, what you just said, the weight gain and all of it, Amina and I had an extremely interesting experience. We, straight after Ramzan, I told her, I said, "Acha, now just to hell with it, measurements lo mere, right? Because the scale, of course, wasn't doing
Yes.
much. And so I said, Amina, let's measure. She herself said, hey, maybe we should wait a little bit. It's just Ramzan and all. आपने पता नहीं, मैं कहा मैंने एक पकोड़ा नहीं खाया. जो सच है, मैंने एक पकोड़ा नहीं खाया. So I said, no, we will. Anyway, I didn't have my chashmas, but she measured whatever and she wrote, my weight that morning was 60 kg. And of course, my heart sank because everywhere it was a little 1 inch, it was more. It had increased
Yeah.
from the last, I think it was a couple of 6-7 months ago we had taken the
Yeah.
measurements. But then just as she was wrapping up, I looked at my weight right at the top, the first time I was measured by her, and it was 56 in 2022. So I told Amina, I said, can I see what my measurements were at that time? Pervez, at 60. It's like 4 kilos
yeah.
I'd put on. At 60, from 2022 to 2025, and 4 kilos more. 1 inch?
1 inch up from everywhere, but the
Not even
muscle,
everywhere.
like a few
Here,
places. right,
remember the
basic
legs and
ones.
all were the same.
Yeah.
And I thought to myself, if I wasn't aware, as a woman, I would think, musibat, I have put on 4 kilos. I used to be. But when it came to the yardstick of measurements, like, which is fact, right? The weight could be bloat. The scale is usually could be a little bit of bloat, could be a little bit of
extra muscle. Yeah.
whatever, we
Yeah.
can't tell. But the measurement is where it's at, right? That doesn't lie. That is just, isn't it? Isn't that how it is?
Yeah. So also this कि measurements is same compared to 56 kg and 60 kg.
Yes,
But
that's
at the
what I
same
want to
time,
ask.
But at the same time, if you notice like your strength when you are 56 and when you are 60 kg, how much is it different?
I mean, huge. So that means, so what I'm saying
It's
is
a
the weight
progressive
is
way.
nothing. The weight, the scale is not, like we rely, I know so many of us go onto that scale thinking, ab maut aa gayi if it's 1 kg up or 2 kg up, ab khatam ho gaye. But it's
Yeah.
not. It's actually the measurements, right? That's where,
Yeah, I think measurements and strength. If you just notice your strength,
Strength,
this
yes.
is a too good metric to judge how well you're doing in the gym.
yeah.
I think right now strength training is a very underrated in the gym, and cardio is very overrated in the gym. A lot of people ask me why you don't put treadmill in
I
the
think
gym,
it's
and I was
always
like,
been
okay,
like this.
So
अब
in the
थोड़ा
new
सा
gym, are
बढ़ा
you
है.
guys going to be putting?
no, you're still not putting any treadmill. It's like, firstly, we don't have a commercial gym. We are personal training gym. So personal training gym, people come for the personal training. And if you're spending half of your session on the treadmill, that you're not doing a personal training.
Yeah.
So for me, it's a not much of a beneficial when I put treadmill in my gym. It's better I actually train you on the floor with weights than you make you run on the treadmill.
And how many, if we're talking about movements, generally, approximately how many steps am I getting in, say, because I do strength training with you all. So how many steps am I getting in?
Okay,
at
so
that point?
it's different. So some people after a set they just keep sitting down. They're having their water, keep sitting down. There's some people just pace around. I think you're one of the one who pace around as
Because I
well,
have to
right?
chat now. Like I said, it's a community.
So you pace around a lot, right? So
Yeah.
so easily, I'm sure you're doing 2,000 extra steps in the gym.
Yeah.
Uh,
2,000 approximately.
so
Yeah.
easily you're doing 2,000 extra steps. But for somebody who's like just sitting down after the set, they maybe not even doing two or 300 steps.
But I believe that way, I believe that the way that you all have designed the gym, you definitely have to walk
Walk around,
around,
yes.
which is great when I think about it, right? Like if you want to chat, then you have that long area
Yeah,
where you can walk up and down. You want water, you have to go to the other.
we call it garden.
Yeah, yeah, the
ये
garden.
हमारी ये हमारी discussion का spot है where
हाँ.
we're just walking on that AstroTurf.
Yes,
We call it
yes.
let's go walk
Let's
on the
go
garden.
walk in the garden. Yeah, yeah. So no, so that also, because these are important things. It's not just like you go in and, it's just picking up. You are moving a
Yeah.
lot.
Yeah.
So I don't feel at all that just because I'm doing strength training and I'm not doing cardio, I am moving a lot more than I would be.
Yeah, yeah. So before we wrap this up, so because you are way more experienced than us in life, you have two people sitting in front of you. If you have to give us a few advice that how to approach the 40s and 50s, top of your head, few advice. Let's say three advice for us.
Acha. So I find it funny that you ask me that, because I feel that having come to you all actually changed the course of my health life. I do believe that. I think we have lots of lives in one body. But definitely me finding you guys has changed, has altered that. So I guess find your Muscle Matter crew.
Find
That
the
would
right
be
people.
one. Find the right people. The second thing would be that definitely understand the magic that is this human body. It is phenomenal. It is, and I don't say that because I have knowledge of it. I say that just in the way even the experts, the scientists, the doctors, they know so little to date about the workings of the human body, that I think if you can appreciate that this machine is just so amazing, and you can train it to do almost anything, do that. And bas yaar, that's it.
It doesn't have to be health related. It
It can be anything.
Well, I think this is it, because really, as somebody very wisely said, you can have 100 problems, but when you don't have good health, you've got one. So for me, everything else has a
secondary.
solution.
Yeah.
Honestly, I'm not even saying this to make it about
Yeah,
you guys.
yeah.
Everything else, I believe I can solve. This health ka jo masla hai na, it's just that one thing where I know that I have to make the right choices. I have to show up. I have to be consistent about it. And again, like, I think we must always talk about affordability and budgets. I don't know if now this is just about money, because it's even about time. Even if you have all the money in the world to spend on a personal trainer, if you're not disciplined and you don't take out the time,
Prioritize करने की
yeah.
बात है ना.
Whereas if you don't have, but you get up every morning and you decide to go for that run or lift body weights and all of that, I think getting an online piece of advice or figuring out a method, I think that's available, right?
Yeah.
So it shouldn't be training, strength, all of this. It shouldn't be associated with अगर आपके पास ये है तो आप ये कर सकते हैं. It's for everyone.
Just find your way.
It's
find
for
your way,
everyone.
Yeah. And that one final tip for me is like, just like you mentioned, if you have a health, just be grateful.
Yeah, honestly.
Yeah, I think gratefulness is something that we do not practice on a regular basis, and it's so amazing.
But
Gratitude is
but when you are at a gym or any environment where you are using your body to do something that is a bit amazing, I think gratitude kicks in. Like Heather says, he says there's so much noise, and when I go to the gym, it's like shh, everything goes
Yeah,
focus.
silent.
Quiet.
Yes.
Yeah.
So must be something to this.
Yeah. So this was good.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you
Thank
for
you.
coming. And
Yeah.
yeah.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you.
See you tomorrow.